Going to measure from the table. In my case, I'm measuring to about the center of this slot right here, which is going to be, in this case, is 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches. A little tip about this, about making that line. Usually a pencil will have a conical tip on it. What we want to do with our pencil is take a little piece of sandpaper and put the pencil flat on the sandpaper and rub it back and forth like that, so we make a chisel point. That's because a round point pencil will never quite fit right in here where you need to make your line. If it has a conical point, that point of the lid is always just a little bit away. So when we make this line with our chisel point pencil, the pencil fits right there, makes a nice smooth line. We now have this line cut, and so we know where the slot's going to go.